heavyweight boxing.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Upton Park, London, England, this contest comes to an end at 2 minutes, 59 seconds, round number 5. The winner by knockout victory, and now the WBA International Heavyweight Champion, David Haymaker.
Thank you, John. John Rawling and Paul Smith talking you through a dramatic 5 rounds of heavyweight boxing in the rain at Upton Park in East London. The Haymaker took a year out, but he is back and winning every round and ending it in absolutely dramatic fashion with some devastating hitting as well. And great to see at the end there the two fighters embracing. I am delighted that they did that, and I'm delighted that it has ended the way it has. No doubt about this fella. Let's bring in Steve Bunce first of all, who was down at ringside. Steve, give us your views.
Well, first of all, some of the punches that were landed on both of those fighters were stunning, and the final flurry from David was incredible. To think that Dereck Chisora got up not just once but twice. Jim, I've been ringside 30-odd years, hundreds of times in big fights. I was 6 foot from the canvas. You could feel it. You could feel the ground move. It was quite frightening in that ring.
Okay, let's get down and get the interviews. On you go, Alex. Who have you got? You got the Haymaker.
What a finish, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure you want to hear a quick word from the Haymaker. David, what do you remember about the finish?
The finish, I can tell you, Dereck Chisora has one of the best chins, if not the best chins I've ever hit in my life. Because I was hitting him with shots that would normally put people away, and he was smiling at them, he was eating them. You know, I have to say Dereck Chisora is a great fighter. I didn't give him much respect before the fight, because I hadn't really tasted it inside there, but after doing these rounds with him, I can tell you he'll be champion one day, no doubt about it.
He gave you a right good workout, didn't he?
He did. He gave me a lot harder work than I anticipated. I thought that fight would go a couple of rounds because my training had gone so well. But, you know, I had to dig deep in there. Dereck hit me with some good shots, and I had to do what, you know, great fighters do and find a way to win.
You've tasted some amazing atmospheres around the world. What about this?
This is the best atmosphere I've ever been in my life. I'd like to thank each and every boxing fan who came out. Whether you're here to support me, Dereck, or someone on the undercard, I really appreciate your support, because it made this one of the best British boxing matches in recent years.
It wouldn't be boxing if there wasn't some aggro beforehand, but shaking hands afterwards. There was a really sporting hug after.
There was a lot of beef beforehand. Everyone knows what's going on, but we went in there, we both laid it on the line, put our lives on the line for everyone's entertainment. And you know, I'm glad that Dereck's healthy now, and you know, I believe he's going to go on to do great things in boxing.
Dereck, you promised us a good fight. It was certainly that for as long as it lasted.
Oh yeah, first of all, I have to say congratulations to David, and I want to thank Frank and Luxembourg Ward for making this happen. Now I owe David 20 grand.
Goes to charity.
Yeah, for charity. Yes, Afro-Caribbean Leukemia Trust, a great charity.
David, there was talk about the winner of this being in line maybe to fight Vitaly Klitschko. Of course, that's an opponent that Dereck went 12 rounds with back in February. What sort of message have you sent out tonight?
I think that's a very scary message. I'll be very surprised if Vitaly Klitschko would want to fight me now after seeing the performance I put on tonight. I guarantee he's going to fight some chump no one's ever heard of, and then try and retire and become a politician or something. But if he wants to give the world a great fight, you know, I'm here, I'm ready to go, ready to win that heavyweight title back.
And Dereck, final words for you. You're going to have a good rest now. What next?
Oh yeah, you know, I don't like resting. It was a great fight. I enjoyed it. You know, I got caught with I don't even know what shot it was, but it was a great shot. I got up. My first time in my career going on the canvas. But you know what? This is boxing. There has to be one winner and one loser, and I drew the short stick today. So I'll be back.
Great sport. Ladies and gentlemen, give your appreciation for both fighters, please.
Well done in there, Alex, and great to see the two fighters respecting each other at the end of the prolonged war of words. That is exactly the way it should be. Dereck Chisora admitting he lost it to a better man, and David Haye saying, David, that Chisora will be a world champion one day. He promised the best haymaker we had ever seen. He wasn't far short of that, and as Steve Bunt said, the ferocity of those rounds was just astonishing.